Hello everybody and welcome to Bunky's Workshop. I am Bunky and today I bring you a vintage Kenmore space heater and it is electric. I use this in my shop downstairs every now and then to knock off the chill. It works wonderfully. However, it is not the most efficient space heater in the world. I just like it because it does crank out a lot of heat. It's vintage and I think it's cool looking. So anyways, I brought it up here and thought I would, just kind of walk through it a little bit with you guys for those out there that are interested in these kinds of things. So here we go. It is in kind of a mauve, beige, brown kind of color. It is a different kind of color, I can tell you that. But back in the day, I would say these things were quite beautiful, I would guess, or neat looking. Or modern for many people then. Anyway, let me see if I can find the ratings plate and read that to you. Okay, it's on the bottom. Let me get my glasses. And it says Kenmore. Model number 344-72264. Let's see. 50-60 cycle only. Volts 120. Watts 1,650. And patent number is 2707745. And let's see, on the front it just says low glow, 1,320 watts. High glow is 1,650 watts. So on low heat, you have 1,320 watts, and on high heat is 1,650 watts. Huh. And it has a switch here, which I'll show you, where you can switch back and forth. And then it'll actually have a light that turns on to show you the power is on, and of course your dial here, to where you can kind of find that happy medium between everything. So here on the bottom, you will see here, that is a safety switch. So only if it is sitting upright and on a flat surface, this button pushes in and allows the heater to turn on. So just say, like right now it's on its back and I plug it in, it's not going to work. Because this button isn't in contact and not pushed in. So just in case, a person knocks it over, a dog, a cat, a child, or something like that, accidentally knocks it over, it would turn off, and it's a safety switch, okay? Has 4 nice feet, and they are rubber, like a hard rubber, and they're in excellent condition. And on the front, here, when you plug it in and turn it on, that glows red to show the power is on. And here's the switch that I was telling you about that goes from low and high power. And then here's the dial that you can turn, kind of like hone it in to that perfect temperature that you need. And I will bring it closer so you can see that up close. So there is the light that will turn red here. As you can see, here's the dial, which has the off all the way up to high. That's your temperature settings. And here is for the high and low. It says low glow, 1,300 and some watts. On the other side, high glow is, what is it again? Let's see, low glow, 1,320 watts. High glow is 1,650 watts. And it's just a toggle switch back and forth in between that. Okay, and the grate is in excellent condition, no rust, not dented. It's beautiful. I've cleaned it up. And on the top here it says Deluxe Automatic. And on the top here it just says Kenmore. But it's in excellent condition. No rust. I've kept it very nice. And here is where the fan is. I've taken it out, serviced it, cleaned it, oiled it, all that. And it has the holes for airflow. And of course, it pulls in air from back here. The cord is in excellent condition. And of course, on the bottom is the ratings. Other than that, it's in really, really good condition. So what I'll do is I will plug it in and hope it doesn't explode on me. I've been using it all this time, never had a problem with it, but you never know. But anyways, let's make sure it's off. There we go, I believe that's off. Let's plug her in. Okay. So we have her on, I believe that's the stuff in my way. We have it on low glow. Let's see what happens. There you go. It's a very, very quiet machine. So basically, you'll see in a minute, when you have it on low, it only turns on the bottom element for heat. So the fan is bringing in cool air from the back, blowing forward, and on low glow, the bottom element warms up. And you get to use the dial to tune in what temperature you want for this particular setting. But it's very quiet, nice warm air coming out. So hopefully here in a second, you'll see that glow nice and red. Wow, it's just such a nice warm heat. All right, so now I will turn it on high. And then all of it should be turned on. Which I just noticed, my light doesn't work anymore. Huh. I guess I'm going to have to take it apart, see if I can find myself a new light bulb, huh? Whew, it's hot now. They're not even glowing red yet, and that is cranking some heat. Now, if I remember correctly, most space heaters, I think, are 1500 watts max. And this, on high glow, is 1650. Huh. So I don't know if you can see that, but maybe I'll turn the light off in here, the overhead light, so you can see this. So you can kind of see them glowing. But look at that. Still works wonderfully. That thing is cranking some heat. Very hot. Now when I first got it, it had a ton of dirt on it. I think it had been sitting in someone's attic for I don't know how long. And just was really dirty and nasty. And when I turned it on, the fan, you could tell, was so dry and it was making all kinds of noises. So I just took it all apart, cleaned it, oiled it, polished it, and it's wonderful. It cranks heat, it's quiet. But again, like I said, none of these electric heaters are, efficient with consumption of electricity. But I just love it. I like the look, the sound. They don't make them like this anymore at all. Not in this wonderful, beautiful mauve color. That's just awesome. Turn this lights back on. There you go. It's just amazing how much heat that thing puts out. But there you go. Whew. Now it's hot in here. I got the ceiling fan on. But there you go, everybody. A nice vintage space heater from back in the day, back when Kenmore did vacuum cleaners and space heaters and washers and dryers and mixers and toasters and all kinds of things they were very famous for in quality. But now, not so much. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my little space heater from back in the day. I quite enjoy them. But anyways, thank you for stopping by Bunky's Workshop. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to see more, maybe you would think about subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to give a thumbs up, that would be wonderful. And at the end, if you want to know each and every time that I upload one of these videos, just ring that bell and you'll be notified. Again, thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you on the next video and have a great day.